सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 349, verse number 7. अज्ञातो ब्रह्मणा भास्यः ज्ञातः कुम्भस्तथा न किम्. ज्ञातत्वजननेनैव चिदाभासपरिक्षयः. Vidyaranya, discriminating the Sakshi Chaitanyam and the Chidabhasa, to differentiate this Chidabhasa and Sakshi Chaitanyam. He is talking about the function of Chidabhasa and the function of Chit. Chit alone can be called as Kutastha or Sakshi Chaitanyam. Kutastha or Sakshi Chaitanyam, or it can be called as Atma. In English we can call it as original consciousness, OC. All are synonyms only. Chit, Atma, Kutastha, Sakshi Chaitanyam, OC. 5 names you can remember. At the same time, Chidabhasa also can be called with different names. Chidabhasa or Ahankara or Pramata or reflected consciousness. Any one name we can use, either Chidabhasa or Pramata or Ahankara or reflected consciousness, which we call it as ego. We have to use the ego and say ego. You have to do that. So the distinction is in this manner. 7th sloka, which I have introduced in the last class. Ajnata Brahmana Bhasyaha. Ajnata means ghataha. Any vastu you can take. Unknownness. I don't know this, I don't know that, I don't know. That unknownness. It is an adjective. Unknownness. தெரியாது. தெரியாதுங்கிறது யாருக்கு தெரியும்? தெரியாதுங்கிறது சாட்சிக்கு தான் தெரியும், எனக்கு தான் தெரியும். எனக்கு என்ன தெரியாதோ எனக்கு தெரியும். அந்த எனக்குங்கிறது தான் சாட்சி. Then Purvapakshis possibly doubt, even though it is not presented in the sloka. Suppose Purvapakshi asks, let Ajnatatva Ghataha, the unknownness of the part known to Atma, the Kutastha, the knownness of the part can be known by Chidabhasa. Why not? Suppose the Purvapakshi asks, unknownness of the part, I don't know the part, is known to me. The knownness of the part is because of the vritti vyapti along with Chidabhasa. Why can't the knownness of the part credit can be given to Chidabhasa or vritti? Suppose Purvapakshi asks like that. Possibility is there. Since eyes are not pervading, no Chidabhasa active. Eyes are not pervading, vritti is not pervading, pot is not there, therefore Chidabhasa is not pervaded. Therefore Ajnata Ghataha known to Chit. Ottikare. But once you put the pot in front, eyes are looking at the pot, vritti is pervading the pot along with the Chidabhasa. Why can't I give the credit to Chidabhasa? Chidabhasa Sahita vritti ki kudukalami in the credit, knownness of the pot. Why can't we give like that? We cannot say like that. It is not correct. The knownness of the pot also is by the chit only, not by Chidabhasa or vritti. You cannot say. Then what is the use of vritti Chidabhasana? Chidabhasa vritti sahita chaitanyam, that vritti Chidabhasa sahita vritti, ghatakara vritti, ghatavachinna chaitanyam removes the ignorance of the pot. Parikshayaha. Its job is over. It removes the ignorance of the pot. It reveals the pot, but it cannot know the pot. Chidabhasa sahita vritti, ghatakara vritti pervades the pot. After pervading, its job is over. It withdraws. It reveals the pot and goes away. It illumines the pot and goes away. But the knowledge of the pot comes to only Chit, not Chidabhasa. Just as the unknownness of the pot is the job of Ajnanam. I am ignorant of the pot. Aham ghataha na janami. I don't know the pot. Who doesn't know the pot? I. Chit doesn't know the pot. This job is done by whom? Ajnanam. Ajnanam also does one job. What is that job? Ghataha nasti. That ghatam is not there. The ghata ajnana job is over. Therefore, ghatam na janami, that comes to me. That knowledge, Chit only knows that. Similarly, Chidabhasa Sahita vritti pervades the pot, illumines the pot, removes the ajnanam of the pot and goes away. But knownness of the pot belongs to the Chit. Thought is not knowing the pot. Chidabhasa is not knowing the pot. But I am knowing the pot. Even though eyes are pervading, vritti pervading, and Chidabhasa pervading. This is the meaning. Ajnata brahmana bhasyaha. Ajnata ghataha brahmana bhasyaha. Chitaha bhasyaha. Brahmana means chit chaitanyam. Kutastha chaitanyam. Gnataha api kumbhaha tadha nakim. Adhe madridane. Gnataha api brahmana eva. Knownness is also because of Chit chaitanyam or Kutastha chaitanyam or Brahma chaitanyam or original consciousness. The knownness and unknownness only by Chit or Kutastha chaitanyam or Brahma chaitanyam or original consciousness. Jnatattva jananena eva, by generating the unknownness, by generating or converting the unknownness part into knownness. Jnatattva janane, janane means generating. Jananena eva, by generating the knownness of the pot. Only pot is an example here. You can take any object. By generating the knownness of the pot, by replacing the unknownness, by replacing the unknownness of the pot, by generating the knownness of the pot, that is called Jnanatva Jananena eva. Jnanatva Jananena eva Chidabhasaha Parikshayaha. Chidabhasa's function, job. The reflected consciousness job is only Jnatattva Jananam, generating, producing the knownness. Chidabhasa's job is only producing the knownness in the place of unknownness. Where is this knownness and unknownness? Both are in Chit only. Before Chidabhasa pervading the part, there was unknownness in the Chit. Unknownness of the part is there in the Chit. Once Chidabhasa pervades and unknownness is generated and it withdraws, and that knownness also known to Chit only. Gnata Ghataha. Now it is Ajnata Ghataha. Now it is Gnata Ghataha. Now what is the difference? Gnata, Ajnata Ghataha. Because eyes are not pervading, Chidabhasa is not pervading, Vritti is not pervading, there is no pot. Now there is a pot, Vritti, Chidabhasa, and Chidabhasa generated, produced the Jnatatvam of the pot, and Chidabhasa left, and Chidabhasa gone to for another job. அது வேற இடத்துக்கு போகணும். எனக்கு வேற நிறைய வேலை இருக்கப்பா, நம்ம வீட்டில் வேலைக்காரி மாதிரி கிடிகிடின்னு முடிச்சுட்டு they finish here and they go to another house. You can't ask them to retain. No, hey, I have some more work written. அம்மா அவ்வளோதான், over my job, நாளைக்கு பார்த்துக்கிறேன். Like that, they நாளைக்கு பார்த்துக்கிறான். இங்கே நாளைக்கு கூட தேவையில்லை. என்ன ஒரு வாட்டி ஜெனரேட் பண்ண பாட் நாலேஜ் கண்டினியூஸ் ஆல் த டைம். Again you don't require Chidabhasa. Tomorrow again I want to get pot knowledge. Therefore Chidabhasa has to come like servant next day also. The Chidabhasa servant need not come. Once it has given the knowledge, it produced the knownness of the pot, its job is over for good. Parikshayaha. Understand? Enjoying? Are you enjoying? Amma. Appa. Highly technical verses. Now from 8th sloka onwards up to 12th sloka, a diversion slokas. If you don't understand also, no problem. Because it is not much connected to this subject matter flow. We can understand just as we much can understand. Now, verse number 8. Abhasahinaya buddhya Jnatatvam naiva janyate Tadrig buddhir vishashakkaha Tadrig buddhir vishashakkaha Mrudadeshyadvikarinaha. Now there is another possible doubt by Purvapakshi. Idhula illa. Acharya is giving answer. Why you are telling the knownness of the pot is because of Chidabhasa pervading Ajnata Ghataha, known to only Chit, Gnata Ghataha also known to the Chit only. Why you are introducing middle Vritti Vyapti, Chidabhasa Sahita Vritti Vyapti? Why all this? Without this also, why can't you say, now you see part Gnata Ghataha. Without Chidabhasa. Previous sloka what he said, Chidabhasa job up to that only. After that Chidabhasa job is over and it withdraws. Why all this job at all? Why Vritti Vyapti, Chidabhasa Sahita Vritti Vyapti, Ghatakara Vritti, is it required? For that Vidyaranya says, unfortunately, without Chidabhasa, Vritti Vyapti alone cannot get that, remove this ignorance of the pot. Without Chidabhasa, Vritti Vyapti Jadam, it is made out of gross subtle elements. Ghata also made out of gross elements. Vritti also made out of gross subtle elements only, but elements only. Therefore, look into the shloka. Abhasa hinaya buddhya. You can understand easily. Abhasa hina means chidabhasa hina. Hina means without. Abhasa hinaya, without the assistance of chidabhasa. Buddhya means vritti, vrittya. Without the assistance of reflected consciousness, vritti alone, with vritti, jnatattvam naiva janyate. In previous shloka, what I said, this chidabhasa produce or generate the pot knowledge and goes away, but knownness is by the chit only, I said. This knownness of the pot generation is not possible for a vritti without chidabhasa. That is the meaning. The making the pot unknownness to knownness conversion, vritti vyapti alone cannot do without chidabhasa. Without chidabhasa. Can mirror alone put a patch of light on the wall? Without sun, reflected sun in the mirror. I am showing the mirror on the wall. Can that patch of light fall there? Extra light, dominant light can come without the reflected sun in the mirror. Mirror is there, but without reflected sun, that patch of light, extra dominant light is not taken place there. It cannot generate, it cannot produce. The reflected sun is required for a dominant extra light. Yes or no? Similarly here also, I know this part, that knowledge to take place, vritti, mirror like vritti. In the previous sixth shloka we saw, what is that? Ankusham. Ankusham alla. Adi lohanta kuntavat. Without kunta. Without kunta, the loha alone is vritti, is not useful. Chidabhasa is like a loha anta kuntavat. Kuntavat, rod alone is not useful, but loha anta, at the end, it requires some sharp metal. Like that here also, vritti is like loha. It is only kuntavat, but is loha anta, chidabhasa is required to get that pot knowledge. Therefore, he says, chidabhasa hinaya or abhasa hinaya buddhya vrittya jnatattvam, knownness of the pot, naiva janyate, cannot be generated. Naiva janyate means cannot be generated at all. Evakara. It is not possible. Tradrig buddhehe visheshaha kaha. What? Suppose you chidabhasa rahita, buddhi is there, vritti. Buddhi means what? Antakarana vritti. Here, buddhi means vritti. Tadrig buddhi. Tadrig means what? Chidabhasa rahita vritti. Vritti is pervading. Ghatakara vritti. The ghatakara vritti pervading without chidabhasa, reflected consciousness. That is the second line you see. Tadrig buddhehe visheshaha. Tadrig buddhi means chidabhasa rahita vritti. What is the vishesha? What is the greatness of that vritti? Ko visheshaha. Then mridadehe. And the vrittiki in the ghatam mela irukra in the mannuki enna theda difference enna? Mridadehe. This vritti pervading what? Ghata. Ghata is what? Clay. Tell me what is the difference between this clay and that vritti? Both are jadam. Vritti is made out of subtle matter. Ghata, clay, is made out of gross matter. One is gross matter, another is subtle matter. Both are matter. Enna panna mudiyum matter. That's why it doesn't matter. Ko visheshaha. Liya. को विशेषः मृदादेः विशेषः स्यात्. What is the big deal, greatness of this vritti pervading the pot without Chidabhasa? It is no difference between mrud and vritti. One is gross matter, another is subtle matter. In vikarinaha, vikarinaha means what? It is vikara of panchabhuta, sthula panchabhuta. In the man vande sthula panchabhuta vikara. Vritti vande Sukshma Panchabhuta Vikara. Without reflected consciousness, vritti is jadam. He gives example. Next shloka. Further, I'll give one example. What is the difference between pot and mrud? This mrud and vritti, what is the difference between? He gives example in the 9th shloka. We will see. ज्ञात इत्युच्यते कुम्भः मृदा लिप्तो न कुत्रचित् धीमात्र व्याप्त कुम्भस्य ज्ञातत्वं नेष्यते तथा. Very nice. Mruda liptaha kumbhaha. Let us see. In the previous shloka what he said, what is without Chidabhasa, vritti vyapti alone cannot generate, produce the pot knowledge. First line he said, and second line he said what in the previous line, previous verse, this pot and the vritti, what is the difference? No difference. He gives example. Here pot, clay pot is there. Bring some more clay, colorful clay. In the Sankranti, Pongal and pot will be there. They put different colors, another mud, different colors mud, they apply on that, suppose. Already clay, you are bringing another different color clay, colored clay and apply. Can you know the pot? Can you know the pot? I have applied another clay on that. First clay already, another clay. Can it give pot knowledge? Same way vritti vyapti koda. Another clay if you apply also you cannot know the pot. Vritti vyapti ki in the clay ki no difference upon solrar. Sudungo. See, mruda liptaha, mruda liptaha kumbhaha. Kumbhaha means ghataha. Mruda by another clay, color clay you can take extra clay. You bring and mix a color and apply on that. Nicely you apply. Can it reveals the pot? Kumbhaha mruda liptaha na kutrachit, nowhere kumbhaha, the pot, gnata iti uchyate, pot is known. Vritti vyapti venda, chidabhasam venda. Another clay you apply, I know the pot now. Anywhere it is happening like that? Without the thought, through the eyes, without pervading the pot, without chidabhasa, just by applying another clay, are you knowing any pot anywhere? Kutrachit gnataha uchyate? No. Second line it says, dhimatra vyapta kumbhasya. Dhimatra, ade madri, just like that only. Just like another clay you apply also you cannot know the pot. Similarly, dhimatra means vritti matram. Vyapta kumbhaha, without chidabhasa. Without chidabhasa. And the mirror gnapam vechkono. Without reflected sun, I show only mirror. Go on showing the mirror. Reflection cannot form, you cannot know the extra light. Similarly, here also you cannot know the pot without chidabhasa. So, vritti is also jadam. Dhimatra means chidabhasa rahita vritti matram ityarthaha. Without Chidabhasa, vritti alone. Dhimatra, vyapta, vritti, vyaptam, pervaded. Kumbhasya, of that pot. A pot that which is pervaded only by the vritti without Chidabhasa, Jnātatvam naishyate. Jnātatvam, knownness of the pot is not possible. Knownness of the pot is not possible. Tatha means just as in example. First line example I have given, tatha. Ade madrida. In other clay also jadam. This vritti is also jadam. Both are jadam. Therefore it cannot give the knownness status to the pot. It cannot convert the unknownness into knownness without Chidabhasa. Just vritti alone cannot do that. And the vrittikkaha your example kudukaradana extra clay. If you nalla or fine clay, this is a rough clay, let me bring some fine clay and apply to know the pot. Here fine clay apply panna kuda varad. The vritti kuda appadida. Then what na? Therefore samatta Chidabhasa vuttikona. You have to accept Chidabhasa parvation. Next shloka 10. Jnātatvam nama kumbhe Tatchidabhasa phalodayah na phalam brahma chaitanyam manat pragapi sattvatah. Now he talks about Chidabhasa in the first line, Chit about in the second line. What he says, Jnātatvam nama. Pot is known. What do you mean by knownness of the pot? Jnātatvam nama. Enakku theriyum anna enna artham? Enakku pot theriyum anna enna artham theriyumo? I know the pot when you say what is mechanism has taken place in the background. Theriyuma solrar. Jnātatvam nama kumbhe. Regarding the pot, kumbha vishaye, with regard to the pot, knownness with regard to the pot means what? You know that? Nama means, is it evident for you? Is it clear? I will tell you. Tat Chidabhasa phalodayah. Tat is equal to that knownness adjective. Tat means that knownness adjective is because of Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa means reflected consciousness. Phala udayaha. Chidabhasa phala means that Chidabhasa sahita vritti vyapti ghata akara generate knownness. Chidabhasa sahita vritti ghatakara. Ghatakara Chidabhasa sahita vritti produce knownness of the pot. And that Chidabhasa phalodayah. It is the result of. Phala means result. Udaya means rise. It is the result of the rise of Chidabhasa along with vritti. Chidabhasa also is there along with the vritti. Adi Chidabhasa yoda effort appa. I know the pot, knownness of the pot to the chit is because of Chidabhasa, phala udayam. Because of the Chidabhasa's phala, the result, it rises. What rises? Knownness of the pot. Not because of vritti. Okay. Na phalam brahma chaitanyam. Brahma chaitanyam, this chit is not doing any job here to produce the knownness. Phalam na brahma chaitanyam. This is another diversion. Diversion, diversion. Phalam, the result, what is that result? Knownness of the part. That result is not because of Brahma Chaitanya, not because of Chit. In Brahma Chaitanya Suddham, unnu panna mudiyadu adukku. It cannot do anything. Why it cannot do anything? He says next, afla, mana pragapi sattvataha. See, before Chidabhasa, this part knownness is not generated by the effort of Chitta. Knownness of the part is generated by the effort of Chidabhasa. Listen very carefully, how brilliant statement this is. The result of the knownness of the part is not because of Chit Brahma Chaitanyam, Kutastha Chaitanyam. The result of that knownness of the part is because of vritti, Chidabhasa Sahita vritti. Yen children terimo? Why I am telling Chidabhasa alone? If you say Chit alone, already Chit is there. Sattvataha. Before Chidabhasa is pervading this ghatam, Chit is there or not on the pot? Easiness is there or not? Chit is consciousness, Chit is Sat. Sat, Chit both are one and the same. Sat is all pervading. Sat is there already or not? Before pramana, vritti pramana, Chidabhasa Sahita vritti pramana, before it is pervading, already Chit is there. Chit is there already. Why? Because Chit is all pervading. It is always there. Sat is very, very terse. You have to contemplate a lot. Sat eva Chit. Chit eva Sat. Before the eyes are looking at the pot, vritti vyapti taking place along with Chidabhasa. Already Chitti ukarnirukka enga. Dead body la Chitti irukka illaya? Irukku. Sattu irukka, Chitti irukku. And the Chitt manifest pandradhukku Sushma Sariram illa. Priyarada? Enna Chitt is always there. Sadeva Chittu, Chideva Sattu, dead body la kuda Chittu Sattu always there. But to enliven that Chit, the Sukshma Sariram is not evident in dead body. Chit is there. Similarly, in the pot also, Chit is there already. That's what he says. Mana pragapi, pramana praga, vritti vyapti pramanam. Here, mana pragapi means the effort to know. The Chidabhasa, vritti, Ghatakara, it is effort. That effort to know, manat prak. Prak means before. Before the effort of knowing the part through Chidabhasa vritti, already Chit is there. Sattvataha. Because the Chit is already there. Sattvataha means Sakshi Chaitanyam is already existed before Chidabhasa and vritti pervading the part. If Chit alone knows, it would have known before itself. Without Chidabhasa and vritti, it would have known before itself. Yenna idi poi ukarthik munnadi Chit irukku already. Sadrupena Chidrupena irukku. Part is, and தெரியலன்னா கூட ஈஸினஸ் இருக்கா இல்லையா பாட்ல இருக்கு. சரி, ஐ கீப் ஹியர் திஸ் பாட், டோன்ட் see all of you this பாட் இருக்கு. நவ் பாட் is or not? Is. We are not seeing part, none of us seeing part. Part is there or not? Easiness is what? Brahma Chaitanyam. And the easiness the Chit. There is no difference between both of them. And the part irukku, ana enakku theriyade. Chitti erkane irukka sattvataha. பிரமாண பிராகேவ மானாத் பிராக், பிரமாண ஆபரேஷனுக்கு முன்னாடியே சித்து இருக்கப்பா, ஆனாலும் தெரியலையே. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? கண்ணு விருத்தி சிதாபாச சகித போனாதான் எனக்கு தெரியும்னு தெரியும். அப்படி இருந்தா எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் நமக்கு. ஓகே, சித் alone knows everything. There is no ignorance at all. Everything is in the world, everything is known. If Chitta alone is the cause for knowing, everywhere Chitta is there, everywhere Sat Chitta alone is there, Chitta alone is knowing, that means everything I should know. But I don't know many things. That itself proves to know a thing particularly you require Chidabhasa Pramana, Vritti Pramanam required. Manat Pragapi Satvataha, before the operation or putting the effort to know itself, there is Chit. Ananu, but Phalodayaha na Brahma Chaitanya. Brahma Chaitanyathinal Phalam varla. Enna Phalam? இந்த சிதாபாச பண்ண வேண்டிய பலம் இந்த சித்து மூலமா வரலையே. சித்து மூலமா வரல. நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நமக்கு தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? நிறைய தெரியாது சுவாமினி. ஏன் தெரியல? நான் பார்க்கல. ஏன் பார்க்கலன்னா, நான் விருத்தி வியாப்தி சிதாபாச போல அங்க. ஆனாலும் பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம் எல்லா இடத்துல இருக்கா இல்லையா? எல்லா இடத்துல இருந்தா நானும் பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யமே கூட்டஸ்த, எல்லாமே கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம். அப்ப எல்லாமே தெரியணுமே. That is why Chidabhasa is required, special effort is required, vritti vyapti, chakshul pramana, manasla antakarana vritti, and the vritti along with that Chidabhasa, then only you come to know. அப்படின்னா நம்ம பசங்க எல்லாம் படிக்கவே வேண்டாம், நம்ம கூட படிக்கவே வேண்டாம். பஞ்சதசி 9th சாப்டர் தெரியுமா அண்ணா? சிதாபாசா பர்வேட் ஆனாதான் தெரியும். புரியுது? சித்து என்ன பண்ணா 9th chapter is there, is alone chitta is there, but 9th chapter I don't know. Why? Pramana operation is required. You have to look into the shloka, you have to develop vritti vyapti, then chidabhasa sahita vritti vyapti adi kuda priyarada. Therefore, how great blessing, mind, thought, reflected consciousness. Idu or chinna avataram da, reflected consciousness also. Now we are enjoying the sloka. Look into sloka. Vinatatvam nama kumbhe tat chidabhasa phalodayaha. Chidabhasa phalathinalada இந்த கும்பம் நமக்கு தெரியறது. அது பிரம்ம சைத்தன்ய பலம் ந. It is not the effort of Brahma Chaitanyam. Why? If it is the effort of Brahma Chaitanyam, it would have arose before itself. Why? Manav pragapi satvataha. That Brahma Chaitanyam pramana operation முன்னாடி இருக்கப்பா, இருந்தாலும் நமக்கு தெரியலையே பாட்டு. அதனால் விருத்தி வியாப்தி Chidabhasa sahita vritti vyapti, that too very important. Sari. Therefore, what he established now, Sakshi Chaitanyam is different, Kutastha Chaitanyam is different, its function is different. Chidabhasa function is different. Both of them are very important distinctly. Immediately Purvapakshi is coming and catching us. What he says, look into the 11th sloka. Paragartha prameshu ya phalatvena sammatam samvitsaiveha meyorthaha vedantokti pramanataha. ஆல்ரெடி ப்ராப்ளமேட்டிக், கஷ்டமா இருக்க, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அதுல கஷ்டப்பட்டு the Purvapakshi comes and asks, see Vidyaranya, you are telling Sakshi Chaitanyam Kutastha is different, Chidabhasa is different. Reflected consciousness is different. OC is different. But Sureshwaracharya, in his Vartikam, he said, Sakshi Chaitanyam is non-different from Chit. He said, where he said, bodily lifted from Sureshwaracharya Vartikam. But in footnote they said, this Vartika of Sureshwara has not been traced. But it has been traced. I will give you the reference. Brihadaranyakam, first chapter, first Brahmanam, 59th Karika, 59th Vartikam. Bodily lifted. If you go and see Brihadaranyaka and the backside and the alphabetical order, the shloka will be there. அது ரெண்டு தலகாணி மாதிரி இருக்கும். 12,000 வார்த்திகம்ஸ், 12,000. அது ஒரு புஸ்தகம் இருக்குன்னு தெரியாது நிறைய பேருக்கு. நானும் வாங்கி வச்சிருக்கேன், இன்னைக்கு தேடி பார்த்தேன். Once in a while I refer. Like 2 pillows there. You can't lift also. 12,000 Vartikams slokas he has written on Shankara Bhashyam of Brihadaranyaka. Shankaracharya, Brihadaranyam is already big, Aranyam. And the Brihadaranyaka Shankaracharya wrote Bhashyam, commentary. On that Bhashyam, Sureshwaracharya, who is the disciple of Shankaracharya, one of the Acharya of Sringeri. At Shankaracharya's time, he made Acharya to that Sringeri. At that, Sureshwaracharya wrote in his Vartikam on commentary of Brihadaranyakam of Shankaracharya 12,000 verses. Adivida enna theriyumo, and the 12,000 Vartikams ki Anandagiri wrote Tika, another disciple of Shankaracharya, Anandagiri. He wrote Tika. Means footnote like. Footnote anna adu or periya talagani. He has written. So in the Vartikam appade bodily lifted. So we have found that trace. Swamiji has given. Now Swamiji has given. I looked into that book. Whether and the number enna chapter enna Brahmana. I am looking into that exactly. It is first chapter, first Brahmanam, 59th Karika. 42nd page, and the page konja kandipudichita iniki 42nd page la irukum ade, and the book say 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees ahu cost, but book is available till today. That is the grace of the Lord, really. Now look into that sloka. Enna idu problem? Sureshwaracharya said in the Brihadaranyaka Vartikam, Chidabhasa and Chit both are one and the same. No difference. Now you, the Vidyaranya, telling what? Purvapakshi is asking. Both are different. How can you say so? It is different. Both are one and the same. What is the pramanam? Both are one and the same. Na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam nema vidyuto bhanti kutoyam agnihi tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam. This chitta alone is illumining the entire universe. Sureshwaracharya commented like that in Brihadaranyaka. Same like that mantra comes there. There is no difference between Chittunudi avatarandane Chidabhasam. Like in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said, Vivaswan, I only taught to Vivaswan. Ahameva proktaha Vivaswan. 4th chapter. Lord Krishna said, I only taught to Vivaswananna. Arjuna asked, Nee Cholitiya, how you taught at the time of creation? Now you are in Dwapara Yuga. How can you teach to Surya Bhagavananna? In the Krishnarda and the Vishnu. And the Vishnuda in the Krishnar. Both are different. Onnadane, adu madrida. Chideva, Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa eva, Chit. Look into the shloka. Paragartha prameyeshu. Paragartha means external objects. External objects to become an objects of experience. External objects to become an object of experience. Parag means outside, external, artha, objects. Prameyeshu, when they have to become the objects of experience. Paragartha prameyeshu. Ya phalatvena sammata. Ya phalatvena means that which is presented as Vishaya Jnanam Chaitanyatve. Vishaya Jnanam. This is Paragartha, external flower now. Paragartha. It has to become a prameyam, object of experience. To become object of experience, Paragartha prameyeshu, what is used here? He says, ya phalatvena sammata. What is accepted? Sammata means what is accepted as ya phala. Phala means chidabhasa. Phalatvena chidabhasa sahita vritti vyapti phalam jnanam janayati. This is phalam, result. This knowledge is phalam. Result. What is the result? They say jasmine flower. That is the result. How you got that phalam, that result? Phalam means result, prayojanam. How you got? By chidabhasa. So what it does? Chidabhasa ya phalatvena. Ya phalatvena vishaya jnana chaitanyatve sammata. Vishaya jnana chaitanyam. So this is reflected consciousness. Chidabhasa means what? RC. So RC pervades the flower. Then jasmine flower vritti along with chidabhasa goes. To get any object of knowledge, chidabhasa pervades. Now chidabhasa presentation this is. Now second line, Sambit sa eva iha. That chidabhasa alone is presented as Sambit. Jnanam. Sambit means here Jnanam. Sa eva iha. Saiveha unna irukku. Sa eva iha. Iha means in this Vedanta Shastra. Iha means in this Vedanta Shastra. Sa eva, that chidabhasa alone. Sa eva, that chidabhasa alone is given the name as Sambit, Jnanam, Chaitanyam, Sambit. Meyaha arthaha. Meyaha arthaha means knowable object. Meyaha arthaha. Arthaha means object. Meyaha means knowable. Knowable object. Whatever is said that chidabhasa is used to know the external objects in the world outside, that chidabhasa alone is the subject matter of the Vedanta, because that chidabhasa alone is called chit. Sambit means jnanam. Jnana means chaitanyam. That is prameya arthaha. That is the subject matter. That is to be known. That is to be known. What? Brahma Chaitanyam. Sambit, that is Brahma Chaitanyam Jnanam. Nana chidra ghatodara sthita mahadipa prabhavaswaram Jnanam yasya tu chakshuradhikarana. Jnanam means Sambit. Chaitanyam. That Chaitanyam alone is the subject matter of Vedanta Bhukti Pramanataha. Through Vedanta scriptural texts, that Bhukti means Vakyam. Vedanta Vakya Pramana Dvara Prameya Arthaha Sambit. Prameya Arthaha means that is to be known. What Suresh Acharya want to say, which chidabhasa is used for the knowledge of external objects, that chidabhasa alone is called as Sambit, which Sambit is the subject matter of Vedantic statements. What he says, Paragartha prameyeshu ya phalatvena sammata For the knowledge of the external object, what that phalattvena Chidabhasa is the result. Chidabhasa is putting effort to know the objects. Yenda Chidabhasam solliriko, anda Chidabhasame chit samvit is the subject matter of Vedanta Vakyas. Oduma Kolappanlo. In the Kolappanlo Kolapam. Okay. ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. இப்போ how to solve சங்கராச்சாரியா என்ன சொல்றார் சொல்லணும். வித்யாரண்யா you are talking against to சுரேஸ்வராச்சாரியான்னு சொல்லி பூர்வபக்ஷி. இப்போ பூர்வபக்ஷி brings Sureshwaracharya. Sureshwaracharya is saying Chidabhasa and Chitta are one and the same. அப்படி சொல்றாரு என்று சொன்னா அப்போ Sureshwaracharya is going against to Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya says Chidabhasa and Chit both are different. Chit and Chidabhasa both are different. Shankaracharya said his Sishyan one day both are one and sollalama. Sureshwaracharya அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. என்ன குரு தப்பா போயிடும் இல்லையா? குரு சொன்னது தப்பாயிடும். குரு என்ன சொன்னாரு சங்கராச்சாரியர்? Look into the next shloka. Upadesa Sahasrila. He said, iti vartika karena chit sadrishyam vivakshitam brahma chit phalayor bhedah sahasryam vishruto matyatah. Now Vidyaranya reconciling between Sishya and Guru. Purvapakshi in the Majjala edavadhu creating problem between two people. Or Purvapakshi vande Sureshwaracharya says Chidabhasa and Chit both are one and the same. But his Guru said Chit and Chidabhasa are different and you are following the Sankaracharya matam. Our Sishyar vande onnudan chonnare and chonna. அப்புறம் வித்யாரண்யர் மாட்டிட்டார். என்ன பண்றது? வித்யாரண்யா want to reconcile. Sureshwaracharya is also right. Shankaracharya is also right. Shankaracharya said both are different. Chit and Chidabhasa. His disciple said Chit and Chidabhasa are one and the same. Now we have to reconcile both of them. Vidyaranya brilliantly says, understand, in Upadesa Sahasri, Shankaracharya said, two meanings you can take. Either they are seemingly different or they can be similar. Similar ani sollalam, identical ani sollalam, not identical ani rendume sollalam. Adida idea. Iti means Sureshwaracharya Vartika Bhuktam. Iti. Continuation of the previous shloka. Iti, previous shloka, Sureshwaracharya said in his Vartikam of Brihadaranyakam of first chapter of first Brahmanam, in 59th Vartikam he said like that, but Sureshwaracharya idea is not that. He never said both are one and the same, figuratively, as it were. For example, whenever you give a school photograph to your friend, or picnic you go, excursion you go, and a group photo you give to your friend and sit, hey, naan engirukanu sollu and the photo lo. You ask her not. You find out where am I in that photograph. That person has to ask what? The person who is holding the photograph, he has to ask what? You are sitting opposite to me. How can you be in the photograph? ஆனால் இவன் என்ன பண்றான்? தேடிண்டு இருக்கான். இவன் எங்க இருக்கான்னு தேடிண்டு இருக்கான். He is searching in the photograph. I'll find out. Wait. Now. That means what? He has understood. That person asked, where am I in that photograph? You tell me. He asked. He understood that similar to that person, that his photograph is here. As though he is here. Isn't it? Now you tell me, this photo in the photograph of that person is totally different or totally identical? It is bhinnam or abhinnam? Neither. Bhinna bhinna vilakshanam. He is not totally different from this photograph where he is. At the same time, he is not the same. ஏன்னா அவன் அங்க இருக்க இவங்க போட்டோல இங்க இருக்கான், இந்த போட்டோ பிக்சர் இங்க இருக்க அவன் அங்க இருக்கா, அதனால நாட் ஐடென்டிக்கல். கேன் யூ சே இஸ் a different fellow? No. ஐடென்டிக்கல் அண்ட் நான் ஐடென்டிக்கல் சொல்லலாமா இல்லையா? அப்படிதான். That is the intention of Vartikakara, Sureshwaracharya. Like that you have to take. He never said both are similar. Both are appear resemblance. Semblance or resemblance. That is the way you have to take. Sureshwaracharya's intention is Chidabhasa is as good as Chit. Chittinude avataram dane Chidabhasam. Chidabhasa எங்க இருக்க சித் இல்லாமல்? A reflected sun is different from the sun, original sun. If it is different, it has to exist all the time. Is it not? It cannot exist permanently. It is temporarily existing. Similarly, Chidabhasa also Janyam Anityam. Therefore, it is not totally identical with Chit. At the same time, you cannot say it is totally different also. Because அங்கேயும் சென்சியன்சி இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் சென்சியன்சி இருக்கு. அதனுடைய சென்சியன்சி it has taken. Therefore, it is having resemblance. Chidabhasa has got resemblance of Chit, sentience, Chetanatvam. It borrows existence, it borrows sentiency. Therefore, Chidabhasa is considered. That's why Vishishtadvaiti always says, when we say Aikyam, Jivatma Paramatma Aikyam, he says, no, Jivatma is like Paramatma. And the like can solvavana. Vishishtadvaiti. நீங்க அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது, லைக்னு சொல்லணுமே தவிர ஜீவாத்மையே பரமாத்மன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாதுன்னா புரியலையா? அது மாதிரி here also Sureshwaracharya says Chidabhasa is like Chit. Chit is appearing as Chidabhasa, as though. Both are, one is Janyam, another is Ajanyam. One is Nityam, Chit is Nityam, Chidabhasa is Anityam. Many Chidabhasas are there. How many Chits are there? Only one. Lot of differences are there. But resemblance is there. That is why we are all in Maya Moham. Because Chidabhasa has got the resemblance of Chit, we have forgotten our nature is Chit, and we have taken our Chidabhasa, Ahankara, Pramata as real. Adadane samsaratike karanam. Therefore, figuratively, they are bhinna abhinna vilakshanam. Chidabhasa Chit, they are bhinna abhinna. Vartika karena chit sadrishyam. Chidabhasasya chit sadrishyam vivakshitam. Intended. Chit sadrishyam with Chidabhasasya. You have to supply. Chidabhasasya. Vartika karena means Sureshwaracharyena. Brahma chit phalayoho bhedaha sahasryam vishrutaha etaha. But Bheda is given in Upadesa Sahasri. Recently we have finished 14th chapter, we are finishing. We have completed also the shlokas. But better example is 18th chapter. Swamiji says, 18th chapter from 30th shloka, 32nd shloka onwards is the better example we can take. But footnote they have given 14th chapter, which we are seeing now in Saturday's classes. Therefore, so what Vartikakara says, they have resemblance, Sureshwaracharya. Shankaracharya says they have difference. They have resemblance, they have difference also. They are not totally identical. Shankaracharya says, Vartikara says they are seemingly identical. Both are right. Vidyaranya escapes. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.